All right, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. And my sincere apologies again for doing the video in my car. Still a bit under the weather. Hopefully, I overcome this bad feeling. Well, not bad feeling, just sinus and those little stupid stuff. Yeah. Unfortunately, rain in the rain, outside of the rain, sun, rain, sun. Yeah, that's the implication of it. But anyways, hopefully guys are doing good. Hopefully guys have been having a wonderful day. It's Friday, people. Hopefully you're taking care of yourself and your family. All right. So apparently there is an upcoming friendly for the Reggae Boys, and I'm here to tell you about it. So please, guys, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Join the family. If you hit the subscribe button, you will join the family. Join the family, people. We have a nice little family building. We really appreciate it if you join the family and we grow together. We want to grow. YouTube algorithm and YouTube's analytics are telling me say almost about 30% of the persons watching the channel actually subscribers. Let's see if we can switch that around. Anyways, so take out your pen and your pencils, people, because we have the details to give you guys. All right, so according to Deportes TVC, Honduras will face two heavyweight rivals prior to 2023 Gold Cup. Now, one of those heavyweight rivals is none other than the Jamaica Reggae Boys. The Jamaica Reggae Boys, people. So that's actually definitely. So Sports TVC was able to learn that the National Football Federation of Honduras has also has already completed two preparation matches that will serve up as a warm-up for the competition of the most important CONCACAF teams, which is quite good. I love this. Venezuela is one of the teams. Let's get to the Jamaican part. So likewise, the bicolor Nacional will also play a blank against Jamaica that will be played in the United States. The city in which these games will be played would be in the city of New Orleans, Louisiana, and Dallas, Texas. So certainly this is looking good, and that would obviously mean that these games will be played when Jamaica is in the USA. Now, apparently, this is coming out through a third party, Deportes TVC, which is a news outlet in Honduras. So definitely, hopefully, the credibility is high of this, and certainly. So we knew that the JFF were planning to get some friendlies on board. I'm hoping that this is not the only friendly we have on board. Let me just put on the laptop there. I'm really hoping that this is not the only friendly that we have on board. We're looking forward to see more friendlies, and I'm hoping that, really hoping that this is start of a lot of friendly games, especially teams in the CONCACAF region before big CONCACAF competition. You see USA do it, you see Mexico do it, and a lot. Whenever they have big games coming up, they source teams in the CONCACAF region to get games going, and that's important. What that does, that keeps the players sharp. They look on players that they haven't seen before, just like what Jamaica did within that game. This is an opportunity for the JFF to go out there and get in these players that they are looking at right now, get them in early as possible so that they can come into the team, try and settle down, and see how best Al Grimson can work with them. Al Grimson will play a big part in this. Example, like Demarai Gray, want to see what he has to offer. Let's see how he looks. Not just when it comes to Gold Cup, just throw him into the team like that. And when he does not perform well, hey, that's the fans on him. That's the fan. You know, we Jamaican fans, we are very aggressive and harsh. We have no filter when it comes to players not playing well. But certainly, that's one to look at. So these are important aspects. Get these friendlies in. Get at least 3 friendlies in before the Gold Cup, so we can see where we're at, what we're looking at, what we're working with. Players that we're looking to bring in, bring those players in. Get them a part of the national team setup. Let's see if they can participate in the friendly games. Oh, the sun pretty, you know, man. Let's see if they can participate in the friendly game. And certainly, let's see how best they can kick on with the squad. Or what they will add to the squad. Or maybe if they're going to cause problems. But anyways, we want to see what they have to offer before the Gold Cup. We don't want to wait and just throw everyone into the Gold Cup. New team, everything is new. Back into the Gold Cup and then cause problem. Let's see. I know Al Grimson love utilize continuity in his team selection. You can see that it's clear. It's very clear, and I'm looking forward to see that. Anyways, people, Jamaica versus Honduras. This looks to be a one pending. I'm hoping that this come through. Definitely hoping that this come through. We have a month away, just a month away from the Gold Cup kickoff, and we need to get these games going. We need to see these players who are coming in so that we know what they stand, where they stand, and what we can do to them to improve them and how they are going to improve the squad. Definitely, tell us what you think about this. Do you think this is a good fixture for us right now in the CONCACAF region? Tell us what you think in the comment section. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and join the family. And also share the content to people who you think would want to see it. Definitely. This has been a good one, people. Take care of yourself. It's Friday. It's Friday evening, people. Get something to eat. Go out and relax. Enjoy yourself on this Friday. And have a good time, people. This has been a good one. MG Sports TV, people. Take care. And I'll see you guys again. And we're out. Boom.